Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacy and I'm so happy you're here. So today's video topic is going to be a mini haul I recently did in Sephora again. And it's a mini makeup haul, so if you are interested in watching, keep doing so. I hope you subscribe to my small channel if you like the video, and comment down below to see if you picked up any new makeup products or anything in general. Let me know down below. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so before I do Sephora haul, I actually did do a mini haul on E.L.F. Cosmetics. And I recently picked up the palette from, her name is Jessica. Her name is this, and this is the palette that I recently bought. So let me just show you real quick what this looks like. Okay, so in the back it has a description, and it said, I wanted to create my version of a perfect rainbow palette. If you love color like me, or are just trying out color, I think there is something in here for every makeup lover. Jakissa. I'm not sure how to pronounce that name. I hope I'm not butchering it. But this palette really reminded me of the Violet Voss Crystal Sugars palette. And I've always wanted that palette, but I never got around to purchasing it. But it came with stickers and I have already used them. Pretty much all of them. And this is the palette that I created with stickers. And it's so cute. I love the idea. I put my name here. And I put a heart which represents who I love in my life. And it's my soda pop, which is my loving boyfriend, my faith, my family, and true friends. And I put all the stickers around it and the back as well. So inside the palette it looks just like this. Super beautiful, super stunning. I can't wait to do a 6 looks one palette series with this. I can't wait. I think I'm going to film it by tomorrow. But it's beautiful because I get to mix and shades between this and that. Mix this one with this, and it's gonna be such a beautiful, fun palette to play with. And I just can't wait. Okay, so the Sephora haul that I did was during the Memorial Day weekend. And I only got a few things, not so much. And so with my order, it came with 2 samples I did not request. So I'm guessing those were out of stock. But I did get 2 perfumes. My gosh. Why are cars like that? I have no idea why. 2 perfumes. This is Woman by Ralph Lauren. Look like this. And this one is interesting. This one's Skylard Esley Beachy Dewy Fresh. This one smells really good. The bottle looks like that. Actually, I can't wait to use this one. I love beachy scents. I love Jennifer Aniston's perfumes, and hers are considered beachy, so this one's gonna be a favorite for sure. So I've always wanted the Fenty Beauty lip glosses, and they did come and a holiday set last year, which I did not get because I thought it was kind of pricey. But in the sale, it was around $20, so I did get it finally. And it looks just like this. Super beautiful. And this is kind of okay. So I pretty much filled in things that I already have, which this is from Too Faced Holiday last year. And these are the glosses that came in the tint. So they're super beautiful. I can't wait to play around with this one, which is called Confetti. Looks just like this. It's like an iridescent duochrome. And it's really beautiful. Let's see how it smells like. That smells really good. It smells just like the original Fenty scent. I can't wait to play around with these. I feel like I love every color in this set. I thought it wouldn't, especially this color, but this is super beautiful. This one's called Cheeky. And this one's called Pretty Please. The Hot Chocolate. Super pretty. And this one already comes in full size, which is called Fussy. So can't wait to play around with those. Those are super beautiful, and I know that I would use those up by this year. So I did get a Sephora pumpkin face mask. As you know, I love pumpkin. I love pumpkin season. As you could tell, my pumpkin decor is still with me because I keep a little fall in my vanity here. Anyway, this is like a pumpkin scent mask, and you just put this on for 15 minutes, and it would hydrate my skin and protect it from dryness. And basically it would leave my skin smooth, replenished, and more comfortable. So, I mean, I thought this was an actual cream, but anything pumpkin, I'm willing to try. And I believe this one was $3 or $4. Next, I got the Natasha Denona Mini Tropic palette, and this was on sale for around $12, and I could not pass this up because I really have begun to fall in love with Natasha Denona's eyeshadows, and if I could get it in a mini size, I would. Let's watch a couple of them. So this is what the swatches look like. Pretty much a rough draft of the palette itself. And it's super beautiful, super summery, so can't wait to play around with that. This will definitely get love in my eyeshadow collection. Okay, so the last thing I got is through my rewards. I believe this was I'm not sure how many points I had to redeem this, but this is a Glow Recipe samples, and I got Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer and the Watermelon Sleeping Mask. So it looks like this, and it comes in a cute little pouch of watermelon. And I can't wait to use this. I've never tried anything from Glow Recipe. They're cute little samples. I feel like I would pretty much use these up in a flash once I open these. And it's really interesting. So can't wait. So that is everything I picked up in my mini haul. It wasn't so much, but I just knew I really wanted to pick up these products because I've been eyeing on them, and if there's a sale, I'll get it through a sale instead of paying it full price. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you continue staying safe out there, especially with the protests and everything that's going around. Know that I really think every life is really precious, and through my faith, I truly believe that God's creation in this world and through everyone who lives in it is very precious. So life is such a blessing to live through, but not rightful in just this way. So I hope that there's peace in our lives, and I just pray that everything could go back to normal in a way that it's peaceful, and if not, we just keep living day to day in the best that we can be, and ourselves and others as well. So thanks again for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.